All right, so the way the onboarding process works is I put together about 25 different videos, as you can see here, with how each function currently works. That's why I wanted to create this big folder, this big file, so that if you wanted to know how your Facebook ads work, you can quickly go over to our website, so click here, and then I'll open up a link for how to do Facebook ads. That's kind of the idea I was going with here. That's what we're doing. And then today we are talking about the onboarding process. So when you are onboarded onto our system, you get a login username and a login password. When you are logged into the system, then that's when you're able to manage what you have there. So you have settings, you have a dashboard, which has a bunch of analytics on there. It has your leads, it has your workflows, it has everything all in one. Like I said, you're taking care of many apps into one. You don't necessarily need to use email, MailChimp, or ClickFunnels, or any of those types of things, and also Zapier. I mean, you need Zapier for a couple things to integrate some apps overall if you're wanting to do more custom things. But other than that, everything that you need from a marketing automation standpoint is in your software. And when you're getting onboarded, we do hop on a 30 to 45 minute call. We help you through the process. And on top of that, you have all the courses, like I said, that you're able to kind of mix and match and make sure and see what things can be answered through the courses. There's articles as well that describe some of the processes and what they do. So you could check those out as well. But the onboarding process, we're here to make sure that you get set up properly. Again, that's like a 30 to 45 minute call right after you have a demo. And then after the demo, if you sign up, that'll be an onboarding process as well. So we really just try to hold your hand through the first few steps until you get comfortable with the software. That's basically the deal here.